Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create shapes in Python. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the turtle section. The next will be the turtle block. The next block will be the screen block. Now we create two variables named sides length and color in the variables section. Now pick the variable blocks from the variables section. Pick int block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the int block. Now head back to the sides block and insert the int block. Pick int block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the int block. Now head back to the length block and insert the int block. Pick str block from the statements section. Now pick the input the block and place it in the str block. Now head back to the color block and insert the str block. Add in a for loop from the loops section. Edit the for loop and enter sides. Add in the turtle pen color block from the turtle section. Edit the pen color block content and enter color. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section and place them in the for loop. Enter length in the first forward block. We will add in two forward blocks. Now toggle the second forward block to right. Head to the sides block and edit the text in the input block. Now for the length block, edit the text in the input block. Edit the text in the color block. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. Enter the number of sides. Enter the length of each side. Enter the color. The desired shape starts forming slowly. Similarly, you can use variables to create different designs, patterns, and shapes in Python.